Well, okay, here it is. It's snowing. And I know we've been waiting for this. Hasn't started to mount yet because it's right at the freezing level. And we got a little bit of ice on the pond. You can see it just around the edges there. Fish aren't bothered by it. A nice backdrop to my evergreens to see the snow coming down. Kind of mixture of rain and snow. If this starts to accumulate, we'll follow up more on this video later. Thank you.